everybody. I can see we have a guest. This is my little wayu. And this is my gift from my forever or BFF friend. And mommy, take my back. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much, Johanna, for giving me this gift. It's so good! This is my first LOL doll, and she got 4 collections, so she decided to give me one. Thank you so much! By the way, if you see this, his name is Rizmo, and he's very fluffy. And they got the scissors on the hat. Thank you. Now let's get busy. Okay, let's cut it open. Okay, it's time to open. Oh wait, it's already open. Mommy, this is so pretty! Mommy, look! Mommy, look at that. Sparkly pink.
What is that? Is that a bedroom for LOL doll?
The inside, Mommy, look. It says here the inside of the box is the house for the LOL.
House for LOL?
Yeah.
So what's inside? A sofa?
Don't let me take this out. Wait.
What's inside?
If anybody got this, then comment down below how you open this.
Oh, already.
That's the side, Mommy. Oh, what? Oh my God!
Like that.
And now let's get it up.
The box itself is the bedroom, so you don't have to
Make one, or you don't need the dollhouse.
You don't have to.
So pretty. There's so many baggies. I think this is so... Oh my God. Baggies. Let's see this. I heard this is color changing. I don't even know. How do you open this, guys? How? Like that. Oh my, it has its own home. I'm gonna play with this forever.
Like that. I don't know how to open this. Oh. Maybe like this? No.
Mommy,
I don't know.
Daddy, help me. Now let's open these baggy bags. I think I'll keep the biggest for last, Mommy. Let's start with this baggy, guys. Okay. Wait, it's color changing, Mommy. I can't wait to see the doll. This is something squishy. Can't wait to see how it is. Let's open the first. Let's open the first baggie. Mommy, this is pack 1. Mommy, this is pack 1.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's get it open. Let's see what... These adoring!
What's that?
Sunglasses. Sunglasses are like so cute. I've never seen sunglasses like this. Because apparently the sunglasses here are yellow. I don't even know. But let's keep going. First bag is a beautiful legend. What's this? I don't know. Let's find the bag. Mommy, you can open it whenever you want. Okay, let's open this one next. Let's open this next. Okay, let's open it up. Mommy, these shoes are the cutest one I ever seen.
Ooh.
Yellow without sparkles and ties. How amazing. Let me show them to you. I can't show it because there are 2. Let me hold it like this. Does this stay? Look at that. Let's put the tiny stuff here. Okay.
Already figured out.
That looks amazing.
So you put all the furnitures here.
Yeah, I know, Mommy, but wait, I'm still doing. Let's do this pack next. Am I doing the right thing?
Yeah.
I have a feeling this is the water bottle. And I'm right, it is the water bottle. Look how cute. Look at that. There's no identity. Okay, the small stuff go here's mommy, okay? Let's do this bag next. Wait, I forgot. You stay in that side, man. Mommy, this dress looks absolutely color.
Ooh.
Let me make it stand there for a while. Princess dress. Let's go with this one next. I have a hoping this is not the doll. And I hope it's not because that's for... Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy, give me the house. Give me the house. Mommy, give me the house. Mommy, give me the house, please. We got the teddy Rennie. We got this. Look. Isn't that so cute? And they kind of... Okay, here you go, the house. Oh, I mean, this is the house. Mommy, here you go. We just keep it on the side for later. This looks absolutely adorable. Did I just say it wrong? I don't know. Excuse me. Okay. All we have is big packs now. So let's start with the smallest big pack. Snippy snip. Mommy, I got the doll.
Ooh.
She's in a split, guys. Whoa. I didn't know this doll could be a gymnast. But I don't know. Her name is... Wait a second. Oh wait, I forgot. This doll's name, I heard it before. And her name is Galaxy Cutie. And that's such a beautiful name. Okay, small... Okay, big packs here. Guess you're sitting now. It popped back in. Let's make her stand there. Let me just make her there. We stand it then. Step and step. Mommy, look at this adoring blanket. Mommy, why is the Squid Game shapes here? I don't know, but let's just put it in G's school again. This adorable heart pillow. Look at that. This adorable heart pillow is beautiful. Squish, squish, squish. Let me just put it right over. Oh, another one. Squish, squish. I love the bed. I have a feeling, Mommy, this is the sofa. It's the sofa. Okay, how it looks like. It's a crib! It's a crib, Mommy.
You have a baby LOL.
I got that from the recycle shop. And, Mommy, and I have a question. Mommy, I have a question. Why is every time I get a LOL jar, they're all brown? Just like me. Ah, she's dead. She's still alive. Okay, the last baggie, Mommy. Can't wait to see. I have a feeling this is the bed or the biggest stuff in the world. The heart-shaped bed. Mommy, Johanna has this. Her own. I saw this once when I was in the church. I think that you put these pillows here and then you put the blanket. Is that how I video? So I arranged all the stuff we got and let's decorate the house. This is my first LOL doll, and she is the big sister. So she's grown up too. She's gonna go live in her house. Bye bye. I'm balling. Okay, not cat, not cat. She has a fake hair. This is her with her sunglasses, and she's totally beautiful. So the big sister gave away her room to here. And the first thing she does every day, when she wakes up, she bounces in her tape. Well, the lucky thing is, she has a TV and nail polishes, and this is her baby sister's room right over here. And that's beautiful. So much. So I'm gonna put her right there. And I don't have sorry. So this is her big sister's bottle. Just suck it.
No, that's not for the big sister, that's for the baby.
Mommy! But she can't! She's already sucking on the pacifier.
Okay.
Time to suck on my drink. Okay, she's full. Wait, why don't they have a kitchen?
Because it's only bedroom.
Bedrooms and locking rooms. I see. I guess these are their pictures. So, let's get to know each
Put
other.
them to sleep na.
Well, do you know the special thing about this? She is gonna be a gymnast. She is a gymnast. And this baby is a singer. La 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 la. Okay, now they're going to bed. Sorry. Which sister? And Mommy, what about this is the mom?
Okay.
Because they don't have a mom. Okay. Okay, now let's make the intro about them having the family.
Okay.
So this is their bald-headed mom. Her name is Kristen. Yeah, her name is Kristen. And this is their baby. Her name is baby Lila. And this gymnast is called Jiley.
Charlie?
Kylie.
Kylie?
Kylie, and her full name is Kylie Jenner, which is I don't know. They're from They're from America, Black Americans. Look how beautiful. This is her bed. They live there themselves because their mom lives in an apartment. Ah, what a morning night. Time to wake up my little little sister. Let me just put this under my bed because I always do that. Yeah, so let me clean up my bed like Mom told me every single day. Put this over. There you go, my bed is done, and put my glasses down there and my water bottle behind my bed. Wakey, wakey! How was the day? I was happy. Okay, come on. Let's play the game. This. Sit. Let's sit. Her head. Or should I try to sit? Excuse me.
The mom is coming.
Oh no, Mom is coming. Mom is coming. Mom is coming. Ready for the plank? Sure, get in back in bed. Oh, my darlings are still asleep. Here's your bald-headed mom, little sweeties. Here's your bald-headed mom. Mama. Oh, sweetie. Yay. Can stay in your clothes. Wake up, my child. Oh, good morning. Okay. going to clean my bed so far. You always need to clean your bed nicely. Yes, yes. Your sister is already waking. Now put on your shoes and we're gonna go. We have to go right now. Okay. Put my glasses. Put your glasses on, sweetheart. Sweetheart, you need to put your glasses on. You can't leave the house without your brand new glasses. I want them to know that you're the daughter of the most famous rapper and dancer and hip-hopper in the whole entire city. Okay. So, sweetie, you're coming with us because you're the daughter of the most popular woman Popular Silla. Popular Silla. Okay, Mom, I'm ready. Oh, wonderful. Now put on your wrapping shoes. Okay, they're going out with their bald-headed mama. So, that's it. Oh, so thank you, Johanna, for giving me this gift. It's the funnest thing I ever had. So, this is the house, and we're gonna close it. And drop it. Part 2, guys. I love y'all. Mwah. Thanks, especially Johanna. Bye.